Hello everyone, hello my wishers. I'll be doing the reading for the sign of Capricorn, okay, and for the month of April 2016. And before I start, I just want to let you know that this time I'll be doing the readings on the basis of only on focusing on the heart relationships, okay, heart matters for past, present, future, and the energies and the storyline that we'll be covering. I'll be letting you know by and by. And Capricorns, I just want to let you know that you want some things to happen, okay? You're waiting. You're waiting on some decision making. You want to have the movement, but it is not happening because I think there is a thinking part. A lot of thinking is going on, and you have the swords, and swords is a little heavy energy on you because. Okay, I'll let you know what I'm seeing actually. Okay, and this is the overall energy. You have 8 of spades, and spades are the swords in the tarot. Okay, now with this eight of swords, you want to have the movement. You are on the relationship front. I'm talking about for people who are married, maybe in family front. You are focusing on some communication with your partner maybe, and it is not happening. You want to have that. Maybe you are a little possessive, and some sort of fear is surrounding you that is actually not there, and that fear is like illusion. Okay, that's what I see. You want to have the communication, but it's not happening right now. Why? Because in tarots there's a it's a lady standing in around the swords are surrounding her, and she's blindfolded. Here you can't see that, but I'm letting you know that these swords are like this, and they are actually, it's a fear of unknown, illusion, unknown. It's not there because the communication is not taking place. Okay, so let me tell you this with this energy. 8 movement needs to take place, and it all depends upon you now, Capricorn, for April 2016. In mid, I want to thank all my subscribers as well, and I don't want to waste a lot of time, so hop into your readings, and thank you for the sweet messages as well. I have laid out the cards because otherwise it takes a lot of time uploading, also cutting the deck and all. So you have 2 court cards, past, present positions. So this is your energy. Again, this is Jack of swords, okay, spades in the playing deck. So this page, this is also, Jack is also known as the page, okay, the messages and all. You have a lot of energy of swords, a little bit of heaviness. You're feeling a little heavy on heart and mind as well. You're trying to balance it, but the communication is not taking place with your partner. That's what I see is you are observing things in your relationships, people who are married or who are interested in someone. Maybe your partner's energy is because you are Capricorn, okay, and Capricorns are the earth signs, and they think practically also. I'm not saying that you're not emotional, but you think practically also. And on the other hand, maybe you're dealing with some air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, okay, maybe some air sign is surrounding you, and they are like, free thinkers. They want smoothness also. They are emotional, you are emotional, but then again their thinking part is a little different than you, and it is like you're not coping with that. Maybe they are not coping with you. These 2 court cards, they are like this. Can you see this Jack and this Queen? They both are looking in one direction. They want to move together, but they're not seeing one another. Either you see up, he is looking here, she is looking here, looking in one direction, want to have the communication, but they are not looking at each other. All right, and even in the downside, looking together but not looking at each other. So communication is not taking place. Your partner wants it. If you are single, interested in someone, and there is like, connection is not taking place. And what I see is this, with this energy, overall energy, 8 of swords, you want to have the movement. Again, swords are a little heavy, and some sort of illusion is trapping you. There's a trap, and you are in that. You are thinking some things. Maybe you're a little possessive about your partner, and that is the reason you might be thinking, why my partner is not taking step. Getting my point, what I want to say. So this is 8 is like, movement card, but no movement, because you are trapped, okay, in some sort of illusion. Actually the thing is not there. This is also like, fear concept. Things not there, assuming it to be there. That your partner will not be convinced. Getting my point? So this is your past position. You are coming with this energy, okay? You want to have this balance. You want to decide. And now, first and the most important thing is you have to decide what you want from your partner, what you want to do to carry on the steps for the commitment as well. Maybe they are like thinking that you're not that serious, maybe sincere on the part of commitment. Maybe you are not taking your responsibilities well, but actually it is just the miscommunication. I want to tell you, you really want to give some messages to them. Now in your present position, because I want to take these quote cards into as a couple, okay, couple or singles who are interested, or potentials, or who are engaged, like having fiance and all. Again, you're dealing with some air sign, and they're like free thinkers. They want things smoothly, but then something is not happening, okay. And your partner may be vice versa, gender kindly adjust. They are independent sign, and they want to have the solution to the problem, but without any mess. You get it? Maybe I want to tell you that your partner might be vice versa, gender kindly adjust. Maybe they are in a little stress, okay, because now it's your duty to take care of them in April mid part, because this is also past and present. In mid April 2016, Capricorn, you need to take care of them, okay. Have communication. This is only your responsibility to take the communication part ahead. Maybe they're just waiting for you, and they'll be like, you will both will turn it like this. So do have the communication. This is advice card as well. And for singles, that's what family part. I've told you that yes, little bit heavy energy is there, because you're not being able to decide what do you want. So decide on that. The movement will take place. Remove the illusion, okay, that you are in. The thing is like this, thing is like that. And possessiveness, if you're more possessive, let go of that halt, okay. That's what I want to tell you. And for singles, might be someone coming or around you, interested in you, because this is a message also, okay. This is a page, and pages are like the messages, but this message is like a back and forth message. So decide for yourself, and let them decide first. Don't be don't go in stress. Maybe this is because these are the code card, the characters around you. Don't hop into situations so soon. Take time, okay. Things will happen, because you have the message card. I will read, but first of all you have to decide that whether you want it or not. All right, Capricorns. Maybe some message, maybe some air sign is entering your life, or you are deciding on that. So little time is needed, okay. Now for your future position, what I see is, then again I told you that there is some sort of illusion or trapped feeling is there. So remove those doubts and illusions. Movement will take place. You just need to remove that blindfold from your eyes. See the situation, because there is an ace. Aces are always, they are the new beginnings, and wands is a symbol of fertility and growth, okay. And this is ace. Some new beginning or some new action will take place after this little bit stress, when you will have communication after you have the movement, okay. I know this is a little bit heavy energy, but not that much that you cannot take place, because the queen is a major arcana. And take care of your partner, all right. And what I want to say with this ace, there is a new beginning, there is a potential of growth, and you will be taking this step. You will be removing this illusion part, and you will be taking the step ahead in your relationship. You will have the communication, okay, because this is your energy. You have to do it with these wands, okay. Fertility and growth is there, new beginning is there, some action you will be taking, clearing out the air, and you will be taking out your partner out of depression, okay. And maybe what I told you, that some messages will be coming. Maybe you will be dealing with some air sign as well, and or someone, a person who is portraying those characters. There's a starting, okay. You will be coming out of some illusion. You will be exposing, you will be coming out of some confusion, okay. And it is always, wand is upright and it is coming out, and it is like, you know, it is something very beautiful. All right, um, that's what I see. Ace, start off. Ace is a positive card for future April 2016 Capricorn. After all this, the heaviness, little bit of heaviness, movement is there. Now you can connect this energy of Eight of Swords with this, that yes, movement will take place, some action you will take. So I don't see any troubles. And what else you need to know is, these are all relationship front sector, okay. So family matters will be resolved. You'll be taking the step, you'll be bringing your partner out of any depression and stress, because you know family and your partner matters you matter to you a lot, what I think. And you have to decide what do you want, what step you want to take. And if you're committing, do commit, because maybe your partner who is waiting for a long time, they are just waiting for your commitment, and you're looking like in some other direction. Don't look, because they want to look at you. You are not looking at them, so they might go in depression or a little bit of stress. And if you love them, take a step, take this movement, and come out of that illusion or possessiveness. Your partner loves you, okay. Have faith, things go smoothly, and I don't think so that there is any trouble. All right, so now let me take out some a connecting card if it is required. Where just let me focus. Capricorns, what they need to know for their connecting card. Connecting card. Where they need to know. All right, they should not cross. Just let me check how to have a beautiful outcome. Need to take this. Though I have cleared out the energy, but let's see. Oh wow. Wow. So Capricorns, you got the Joker, and this Joker is equivalent to the Fool in the tarots, okay. And this combines the potential of all the signs. All right, emotions, decision making, cutting of the swords, thinking, communication will take place, and there is like growth, fertility, and there are wands, okay. This Joker is a beautiful potential to start. Now everything will go. If your partner is in stress, this will they will come out because of this, and it is all a beautiful starting with this. New growth, love on horizon, care and communication will take place. I don't see any troubles. There is growth, okay. Joker is like the ultimate, it's a 0, and after 0 is the Ace. All right, Ace, new beginning. 0 is the where you just start fresh, okay. So blessings ahead for you. Joker equivalent to Fool. People will get it in the tarot deck, okay. So now for you in the in the relationship sector, for you I got this message card, and this is very soon. It portrays that you will be having this communication. Look at the figure. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. I think it applies on your situation quite well, okay. You will decide. You have to decide. Your energy is asking for you that you will get this thing in your relationship sector. Your love in your family will again blossom. If there are some troubles, just clear the air. Maybe this is your partner, all right, and you are doing this communication. Earlier you were not doing, Look at the lady. She's so now satisfied that yes, you are talking to them. So please have this communication. She is out of stress. She will come out of stress or depression if someone is facing, or some miscommunication is there, or a sort of commitment you were about to do and you are not doing it. Do it. They are waiting for that. Okay? Decide. Clear your head, Capricorn. Your energy is like clear. Clearly decide. Actually, what do you want? Only then it will come. So follow this. This is a very beautiful card, I think so. And this is like you being with your partner. Whether you are single, someone is around you or interested in you. And I think you should always, give way to that path. A ray of hope, a leap of faith. Show some maturity, show some stability, because you got wands also, you got potential also. Thinking communication, communication is the ultimate, base of any relationship, what I feel. All right. I think a lot has been said about this card, and this card clearly defines that your partner needs you. So be with them. Relationships are way important than I think anything else, and I get emotional about that. All right, so you're in your professional aura. I took one card out. This time I'm doing some different readings. Basically, I've done the heart readings. This is Four of Air. Okay, and again, four air surrounds you with these swords. Okay, swords is like thinking and communication. This horse is four. Two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Four horses are three horses are standing in the greenery, and one is like lying down. This is your energy. Four is like a little bit sometimes stability, and it is a halt as well. Halt. This is written over here. Time to rest or take a vacation. Okay, you have done a lot. In professional aura, I'm talking about, you have done a lot of work. Allow more time before making a decision. Meditation may provide answers. So go for meditation. And this is like maybe in professional sphere, you are avoiding some situation. You want to have some rest before taking a decision. So if you are avoiding it, anything in professional aura, take a little step back, take the rest, then take the decision. Okay, don't ignore it, or don't ignore it totally out of your just escaping. Don't escape. That's what I want to tell. If you are ignoring something, be positive. 4 is like sometimes a halt also. Sometimes it is it's a halt is like taking a rest. That's what I see. So take a vacation, take time for rest, and it is important also. Maybe because professional life is so stressed out that maybe you are avoiding some relationship sector. Okay, so what I think is, decide and professionally take a halt. This is a halt. Focus on your relationship sector. Come back again, get hold of this, and move with the air. Okay, thinking communication. So shall I repeat it once more? Time to rest or take a vacation. Allow more time before making a decision. Meditation may provide answers. That's what you'll get, the best of meditation in your relationship sector. Spend some time with your family. Spend some time with your partner you are interested in. Commit to them. If you are getting engaged, do it, because relationships will give you a boom and a boost of life. I think love and affection is the most important thing in life. So be this horse, take a rest. Don't think what people will think. Ultimately, you will have pentacles, you will have growth. Okay. Have patience and have rest. So Capricorns, for the April 2016, I have this reading. Hope you like the readings, and I'll get back to you soon with more balanced and fruitful readings as far as I can. I'm trying. Okay. Thank you for subscribing my channel, and I hope to have more subscribers. You can always join my page on FB. Below I will share the link. And till then, take care. Bye bye. Enjoy yourself. And what else? Capricorns, very soon things will be alright. Okay. And I don't think anyone is there who doesn't love to be loved. So be lovable and give love to your partners. Okay. Okay, we'll get back to you soon. Take care. Bye bye. It's a heart for you.